To get started, you want to cast on 7 stitches. Slip 1 purlwise, bring the yarn back through the centre of the needles, and then knit 1. Bring the yarn forward and then knit your next 2 stitches together. It can be a bit tight on your first row as well. And then yarn forward twice, and then again knit 2 stitches together. Then knit 1. Next, knit 3, purl 1, then knit 2, bring your yarn forward and knit the last 2 stitches. Slip 1 purlwise again, bringing the yarn through the centre of your needles, then knit 1, and bring your yarn forward and knit your next 2 stitches together, and then knit 1, wrap your yarn round twice, and knit your next 2 stitches together, and then knit 1. Next, knit 3, and then purl 1, and then knit 3, and then bring your yarn forward and knit your last 2 stitches together. Next, slip 1 purlwise, bring your yarn through the centre of your needles, then knit one, then bring your yarn forward and knit your next 2 stitches together, and then knit 2, then wrap your yarn round twice, and then knit 2 together, and then knit 1. Knit 3, purl 1, then knit 4, and then bring your yarn forward and knit your last 2 stitches together. Slip your first stitch and bring your yarn to the centre of your needles, and then knit 1, bring your yarn forward and knit your next 2 stitches together, and then knit 6. So for your last row you want to cast off your first 3 stitches. And next knit 4, then bring your yarn forward and knit your last 2 stitches together. Once you've done this, you want to repeat this for as many rows as you need. And you want to repeat these steps until you've got the edging as long as you want it. And if you've slipped your first knit stitch at the beginning, as I have, you'll see that the stitches are a lot clearer at the end, and this makes it much easier to sew onto something afterwards if you wanted to add it to a blanket or clothes or whatever you wanted to add your edging to. For me, I'm going to make this into a glove, but you could really add it to anything.